Okay. See, he's a manager. He want to call whoever he can, but he got no power. Okay. If he think he's what to call that, he's God. ऐसे लोग, ऐसे लोग, वो the Malay वो लोग है ना, the manager there sitting down there, he sees he's the boss of this shop. Okay, this person, you need to remove him out. And because of him, I think people want to come inside so difficult. So they got no business here. You see, ऐसे लोग no business तो नहीं है. When he come and tell me that he need to speak Malay and then only can collect this order, okay, I asked him to shut up. And then I wanted to call the police because he does forcefully ask you to speak Malay. इसको मैं complain करके रहूँगी. इसके निकालना चाहिए. इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह को निकालेंगे. Because if you don't remove him out, of course this kind of people will attack anyone who is like people like us. He think he's Singaporean. He's on top of us. Okay. Okay. मुशरिकीन लोग वैसे ही काम करेंगे जैसे ये काम करता है. Call them Muslim, but they are not Muslim. In the heart, they are called kufr. The Yazidi culture. Yazidi culture, the people they go behind and backstab people. यही लोग होते हैं. मुसलमान की मुसलमान दुश्मन होते हैं. Enemy, he is one of them. And because of him, don't know how many people he conflict, and then he make the situation very, difficult for business. And because of these people, which I'm telling you, the fellow on the phone, okay. I hope the MPs and the authorities come down and look at this person and please fire him out, because he did not allow me to collect the order. The order is there for 5 minutes already. Okay? 5 minutes already, the order is there. Because they all cannot talk, the staff all cannot talk because of this kind of fellas, threaten people to kick them out of the job. I think we need to remove him. And the boss of Biryani Bruce, you need to understand that we riders, we need to pick up the order. Okay? And he is, because of him, half an hour my order is wasted. Half my other customer is waiting. And this kind of person is disrupting the order. That's why no business. You can see no business. Nobody want to come for this shop. You see, all empty because of this person. He would say he come and fight with me. Fight with who? Women. Only the woman only he will attack. इसको लगता है कि पठान के साथ पंगा लेने में he think Pakistani, he step on us. Okay, so I hope that the Biryani Bruce, the boss or the top officials, please don't hire this kind of people. अगर hire करना है ना, कोई को Chinese भी hire कर सकते हैं, एक क्या फिलीपीन में हायर कर सकते हैं, कोई भी हायर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इनको काम में नहीं लगाना चाहिए. Okay, don't hire this person. He is trying his best level to kick me out, but he cannot do anything because Allah say that if this kind of people come over, fight them off, report against them. Okay, until now he don't allow me to take the order. It's okay, but here Allah is at us. You see, okay, you see or not? Okay, you see or not? He don't allow me to take the order because why? And now I'm waiting for the police because now he's scared. You see now? You see how he called? He got no respect. You all can hear his voice. He got no respect. And for whole life, he got no respect for anyone. This person all must take him. I must shame him. And I know in future that once out, then I will take out this video and everybody in the TikTok whole world will know that this person is doing this kind of thing. कॉल करता है, कोई भी उसको पिकअप नहीं करते हैं ना. ये कॉल करता है ना, लेकिन कोई भी उसको कॉल नहीं उठाते हैं. You all know, he is nobody answering because his boss is so fed up with him. अब इंशाल्लाह इसका काम ऐसी करना चाहिए. उसको लगता है कि मैं पठान हूँ, मुझे मारने के लिए कोशिश करता है. कोई बात नहीं,